Hi, second graders. We're going to be working on our third lesson in our geography books this week. So what you'll need for this lesson is your geography map book. You'll need a pencil and something to color with. Colored pencils or crayons work great. Okay, so we're going to turn to the page with the nature park on it. It says page 23 down in the corner, but it's really only about 5 pages in. Okay, it's a picture of a nature park. We have the title of the map right here, and we have some different symbols that you can find around the map, and then something new here. It says the map key. We'll talk about that in a minute. And then we have a familiar symbol over here. What was that called? Do you remember? It's got our directions on it. North, east, south, and west. It's called the compass rose. So we know which direction we're walking if we're heading north, south, east, or west, right? And if we're standing at something and we're asking for directions, we're not going to say turn to the right because maybe we're not facing that way at that point where right would make sense, but we could say if you walk to the east, you can find the lake, and east will always be that direction no matter which way I'm facing with my body. Okay? So the map key, that's what we're adding. When a person is creating a map, they're going to use symbols to tell the people that are reading the map what the purpose of this map is. So for the purpose of this map, I can tell they're trying to tell us where to find different places in the park, right? I know that if I see a couple of curved lines, that means that there are hills. If I see an oval with some waves in it, I can find the lake. If I see curved lines with waves, then I know I'm going to find a river there. If I see a tree, I'm going to find the woods or the forest in that area. When somebody's drawing a map, they can't draw every single tree that you're going to find in the real park, but they can use a symbol to just show where you would find lots and lots of trees, right? Okay, this arch, that's going to mean that there's a bridge there. There is a tent, that means that that's where I can find the campground. There is a picnic table and bench, that means there's a picnic area. So same thing, when I actually go there in real life, I'm probably going to see lots and lots and lots of picnic tables where lots of families can have a picnic. But on the map, there's just one to show me where the area is so that I can just find it. Okay, and then curved lines with dots in it, that's where I'm going to find the trail. Okay, so as I'm looking around the map, I can tell which direction I need to go in order to find something. I'm not going to ask somebody, should I go left or right or forward or backwards, because they don't know which way I'm going to be facing when asking. So, but if I ask them if I need to go north or east or west or south, that direction doesn't change no matter which way I'm facing. So that's going to give me a much more accurate description of where I need to go. So if I'm standing on the bridge and I need to go to the lake, and I ask you, which direction do I need to go? Would you tell me north, south, east, or west? I would need to go east, right? Okay, if I'm at the lake, and now I want to go to the picnic area, which direction do I need to go? If you tell me to go down, I'm going to go down, and that's not going to make any sense. I need to go south. Okay, I'm at the picnic area. Well, now I'm ready to set up my tent. I want to go to the campground. How do I get there? Which direction is this diagonal one? I'm not going straight north. I'm not going straight west. I'm going in between. What do we call that? If it's in between, I'm going to say northwest. So I would need to go to the northwest. Okay, well, I'm at the campground, and let's say I'm ready to go to the river. Which way do I need to go? To the south. Okay, let's take a look at our questions over here. Number 1. What does the map show? A park, a school, or a playground? Circle your answer. What does the map show? A park, a school, or a playground? What does the map key show? Is that what shows us directions, symbols, or the title? The map key was the new thing we saw today. It shows us symbols of what we can find in the map. Which is the symbol for a campground? Was it the picnic table, the bridge, or the tent? The tent, right? Circle that. What does the symbol with the 2 curved lines stand for? Do you remember? You can go back and look. There's the 2 curved lines. Means hills. Okay. What does the symbol with this arch stand for? Do you remember? If not, you can go back and look in the map key. Write down your answer there. If I'm going too fast with any of these, feel free to pause the video while you write it in. What does the bridge go over? Yeah, look at this map key. Look at the map. There's the bridge. This symbol with the curved lines and the waves in it, that was the river. So the bridge goes over the river. Okay, so you'll write river down here. Okay, up here, where is the girl fishing? There's the girl. Is she in the lake or the river? We know that the circle with the waves is the lake. How many picnic areas are on the map? Okay, let's see. The picnic area was a picnic table and bench. How many different areas do you see? I only spy 1. Okay, so we'll write 1 there. Which is the closest to the campground? The lake, the picnic area, or the trail? Lake, picnic area, or trail? If we're at the campground, is it the lake, the picnic area, or the trail? Looks like the trail is the closest. You can circle that. What is at the end of the trail? Are there hills, lake, or woods? If I'm on the trail, what am I going to find at the end? What is that symbol? The woods. Okay, here's your challenge. What other things are found at a nature park? Choose 1 or more thing to add to the park map. Draw a symbol for it on the map key. Then draw it on the map. Okay, so you'll think of something else you might find in a park if you ever go to maybe Louisville Park or the Ridgefield Wildlife Area, anything like that. What else have you seen at parks? Make a symbol for it. Okay, draw something simple, and then you'll add it into the map where you think it will go. When you're all done, I want to see a picture of your map key and your symbol, what you've added to the map, and I want to see the pages completed from here. Load that into Seesaw by Friday at noon, and I look forward to seeing it. Thank you.